Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Beauty Big Bang stamping plates swatch video for you. While I was gone on vacation, I showed you a couple things that I received from Beauty Big Bang for review, and today I will be swatching 6 of the 12 stamping plates that they kindly sent me. I also will have part 2, of course, for the remaining 6 stamping plates, and also will review some dipping powders for you that were sent to me in that kind of PR package. So definitely stay tuned, and if you don't want to miss out on any of those videos, make sure that you are subscribed to me. And if you do like these type of review videos, then also please hit the like button. That way I know that you would like to see more of these videos from me. I also have a discount code that you can use at Beauty Big Bang's website. It will give you 10% off of your entire order, and this is not an affiliated link, so this is just a discount code that Beauty Big Bang offered to me a while back when I started cooperating with them. I will kind of show you quick close-ups to each of these plates, but if you want to see more details on these, then also go and watch my PR/haul video that I filmed on these. And if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them for me in the comment section, and I will also try to link everything for you in the description box. So if you are interested in getting these plates, then you can just I usually leave a link, so you can just click on the link to get directly to it. Yeah, I think that's kind of it for the intro. I am typically really happy with Beauty Big Bang stamping plates. I never had any issues with them, so I have high hopes for this as well. Let's cross fingers that everything works as it should, and at the end I will just come back and give you kind of like a quick thought on these 6 stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. So that's it for the rambling. Now I will jump into the swatches and then I will come back. what were your thoughts on these stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang? I actually really like them. I know that some of the designs did not fully pick up. I do believe that was a user error, and for some reason my stamping polishes are dying on me, so I had to switch out like 3 of them. But I still do hope that you really see how these stamping plates work and that the designs and images pick up without any problems. Also, I was scraping off the stamping polish from a larger area, so once you are scraping it off from an individual design, you will be getting a much crisp and precise design than what I was getting on my stamper. So again, this was all user errors. I don't believe it's the stamping plate. In the past, I used their stamping plates and they always picked up without any problems, no matter what stamping polishes and stampers I use with them. So let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite stamping plate or maybe a design. Is there something that you would like to see more of from these plates from me? If so, just let me know in the comment section and I will see what I can do. Also, I am back from my vacation, so I'm trying to catch up on some of my review videos. So you will see some stuff that was sent to me, and I also received some things that I purchased after I returned back from my vacation. So many good things awaiting us. I hope you will stay tuned and subscribe to me, and I think that's it for right now. So everything will be linked for you in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this plate. And if you have any questions or comments, just feel free to leave them for me in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much one more time to Beauty Big Bang for sending these to me, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.